Hi, I'm Brian Mahoney, business owner, national speaker, and #1 best-selling author. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get anywhere from $500 to $5.5 million guaranteed to start your business, to begin your dream. All right, right now we're going to take a look at some carpet cleaning equipment. This is one of the more popular carpet cleaning equipment companies, Don, and let's take a look at some of their prices. And uh, so many of the carpet cleaning websites, when you go to them, they won't reveal their prices unless you give them your email address, telephone number, and all like that. And that sort of just slows things up and sort of lets you know how high their prices are. So just take a look at uh, uh, John Don's prices. See, $2,500, almost $3,000, $2,200, $1,400. So you got a nice $1,000 drop there with that one. So you get an idea that you're looking at about, probably on average, about $2,200 for these carpet cleaning extractors. And then they have a nice low cost one there at 600, another low cost one there at about 500. So you definitely have a range and can get started with um, lower cost machines going to Don John's for your carpet extractor. And let's take a look at another site. And this one is Janny Link. And as you can see, they've got their top seller at about a little under $1,000, 900. You throw in taxes, you're going to pay about $1,000. So you see that while the average might be somewhere in the area of $2,500, you can get started and get a quality machine for anywhere from 500 to $1,000. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so you can get tons of amazing new video content. Click the bell so you get notified instantly when we upload one of a library of new exciting videos that are on the way. Please like this video. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Hit the link in the description and make your own happy ending. Hi, this is the U.S. Small Business Administration's website. And sometimes I think people think it's hyperbole, but oftentimes the excuse for not starting a business is money. So I wanted to show you on this website that they have business guides and all types of resources to help you. Just about everything is free. They even have a program called SCORE that will give you a mentor who's already done the business you want to do, and then they will uh, assist you. But this is what I wanted to show you. As you go down for the SBA guaranteed loans, um, and they talk about the benefits, the competitive terms, getting counseling. But this is what I wanted you to see: is you can get from 500 to 5.5 million to fund your business. So if money has been an excuse for you not to start a business, then there are ways to get it. And one is through the tax dollars that you're already paying. They're giving you back your money. So don't feel bad because that's what rich people do. I listen to these channels and they talk about how uh, the difference between rich people and poor people is that rich people do everything themselves and pull themselves up by their bootstraps, and you should not accept help. You have to do it yourself. Well, they accept help. They have no problems accessing government loans, and then once they become rich, they have no problems getting giving themselves tax breaks to take even more money. So you should take advantage of these government programs because it is your money.